Hello friends. So today let's solve CAT 2025 Slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So we'll be solving the questions one by one. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Now, in the set of consecutive odd numbers 1, 3, 5 till 57, you can notice that these are odd numbers. First odd number, 3 is the second odd number, 5 is the third odd number, right? Okay. So these are the odd numbers, and there is a number k such that sum of all the elements less than k is equal to the sum of all elements greater than k, then value of k is. Now you see, in this set 1 is the first odd number, first even number is 2 into 1, 2. So first odd number is just before that. Similarly, second even number is 2 into 2, 4, but second odd number will be just before that. So it will be 2 into 2 minus 1, 3. This is second odd number, this is a third odd number, and they are saying that there is a number k such that sum of all the numbers less than k is equal to sum of all the elements greater than k. Now, so there is k. Now let's say dot dot k. Let's say k is the mth odd number. So I am assuming that this is the first odd number, second odd number, third odd number. Let's say k is the mth odd number. So mth odd number, right? So next will be m plus 1th odd number, m plus 2th odd number, like that, right? Until we got 57. 57 is 29th odd number. 29th even number is 29 into 58. So it's 29th odd number. So 57 is 29th odd number, right? Now if you know it, they are saying that the sum of all elements before k and after k are same. Now you must be knowing that sum of first n odd number is n square. There is a formula, a very popular formula. You know that first odd number, odd number is 1, second odd number is 3, third odd number is 5. If I go like this, what is the nth odd number? Nth even number is 2n, nth odd number is 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1. So if you add them, sum of first n odd number, you know that it's an AP, right? So n by 2, number of terms by 2, first term plus last term. So 1 plus 2n minus 1, that will be 2n, right? 2n. So here 2 got cancelled, n square, right? Sum of first n numbers, sum of first n odd numbers, sum of first n odd natural numbers is always n square. So you see that here, sum of we have assumed that k is the mth odd number. So before m, whatever the odd numbers they are, we can add them. So before m, there are m minus 1 odd numbers, okay, and they are the first m minus 1 odd numbers. So what are their sum? The sum is m minus 1 whole square. See, before k, there are m minus 1 odd numbers. I mean, starting from 1. So basically, they are first m minus 1 odd numbers. So their sum will be m minus 1 whole square according to this formula. Now, this is equal to sum of, this is equal to, now this is equal to sum of all odd numbers after k. Now see, total there are 29 odd numbers, okay, 29 odd numbers. So the sum of the all odd numbers will be 29 square the same way, and from 29 square, if I remove till m, if you remove till m, okay, so sorry, till k, right, till k, I mean the mth odd number, till k. Now till k, there are m odd numbers, right, including k, first m odd numbers, and their sum is m square. So if I remove this, total sum of odd numbers 29 square and minus first m odd numbers, that is m square. If I remove it, we will get the sum of first m minus 1 odd number, that is m minus 1 whole square, and from here we can get the value of m. So let's simplify it. Okay, now m minus 1 whole square, this is m square minus 2m plus 1, 29 square is 841 and minus m square. Okay, so you see, let's bring m square this side. So m square plus m square is 2m square, 2m square minus 2m. Let's bring 841 this side, 841 minus 841 plus 1, this will be minus 840, and that is 0. Now we can divide by 2, right? If I divide by 2, it is m square minus m minus 420 equal to 0. Now can we factorize 420 where the product will be minus 420, two numbers, product is minus 420 and sum is minus 1, yes, 20 and 21. So this is m minus 21, this is m plus 20, that is equal to 0. Obviously m can't be minus 20, so here m is equal to 21. That means this k is the 21st odd number. So k is the 21st odd number. We are assume k is the mth odd number. So what is mth odd number? Mth even number is 2m. So mth odd number is 2m minus 1. We already got the value of m, that is 21. K is the 21st odd number. So it will be 2 into 21 minus 1, so that is 42 minus 1, 41. So answer of k is 41. That's the option 1. So we got the value of k, that is 41. I hope this is clear.